How to change your name on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings and here you will find your profile here in the top. Click on your profile and here you will find name, just click on it, and as you see here you can change your name. All you need to do is just type any name you want and then click this one, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.